Yeah, I just want to make sure because he said he could set up a new set meeting, and I told him no. I said I want to find out because I asked him if there was any reason that they would call me back and just, cancel my request. And he said it was one of three reasons, and the first two didn't apply to me, and the third one, I said, well, what's the number? And he told me the house number. But I remember adding you to their system because if we needed to register, you already need to be registered. So when it came to the phone number, I had to put a phone number. So I didn't want to put my phone number. They used that as the main number.
Okay. Go ahead.
No, that's all right. It wouldn't have mattered anyway. So he's like, well, I can set it up now. I said, no. I said, I want to go through the process. I said, because I'm paying for the service. I said, and, if it doesn't work, as designed, I'm definitely not going to be paying for it.
Right.
Again. I said, so I don't want you to make any appointments for me. I said, I want to go through it and do it again with the correct phone number. And if it works, fine. I said, and if it doesn't work,
then that's
fine too. I said, but I said, my wife's at home. I said, and usually she's pretty good about telling me when someone calls. I said, so let me do my research to find out if they called. He was like, okay, you're like, okay, do what you have to do.
Yes, he said that?
No, he was like that.
Oh, okay.
And I said, if it doesn't work out, I said, then I'll be calling you back. I said, if I find out that they didn't call my house, I said, then I'll be calling you back. I said, other than that, just let me do my own research, and that's about it.
Yeah.
So he's like, okay, all right, anything you want from me? I said, no, it's fine.
He probably like, that's on him. They in trouble.
Yeah, because he was saying one of the reasons would be, you get a spam blocker. I said, I get spam phone calls all day, so I know that's
right.
Not it.
Right.
He said, it could be connection issues. I said, no, I know that's not it either. But, he was helpful. I'll give him that.
He was what? Oh, helpful.
Yeah. So, what sucks is like, right now I kind of feel okay, besides my normal stuff. So I don't feel like I need to do that. But then I'm just thinking, okay, tonight I'm going to fucking start coughing again.
Deny it unless it happens, and then it happens, you deal with it. But you might be really getting a lot better.
Oh no, I think I am. It had just concerned me because for obvious reasons, I want to get some sleep.
Yeah, clearly, and your voice sounds really great. It don't sound, before it sounded like you could hear, even though you weren't coughing, you could hear the cough that's sitting dormant until you lay down tonight. If that makes any sense. It's like you seem fine, but I can hear that thing waiting on you to relax your body.
Yeah.
I actually took some CBD.
Yeah, I was gonna take some last night, but I decided not to.
I feel some kind of way that they don't have hemp oil no more. And maybe if I asked, they just moved it to somewhere else. But I was like you at the time. I was like, I ain't finna ask these people stuff, and they don't even know the answers. And I'm just.
Well, that's what they did to me at not to me, but that's what they did at one. I told you they had all that hemp.
Right.
And now it's gone.
Yeah.
You get some $20-something hemp lotion.
Yeah, I saw that at Menards. They could miss me with that.
Yeah, so I'm like, fuck that.
Oh, and I saw this little oil pill they made, and it's got X amount parts CBD, X part THC, and 3 milligrams of Xanax. Why?
Whoa.
Yes, why?
And that's what you said. You don't want to go in the hospital because that's
Yes. Ooh, they can't wait to be the first. It's like a race to be who can be the first one to die from marijuana overdose.
And then the argument's going to be, no one has died from cannabis until it got regulated.
Right.
And you're going to have that fight.
Right. So
I think they will put stuff in it and not say nothing.
Oh my God, absolutely. This, I mean, we've been dealing. We done had, you know, and nobody still ain't been to jail for Flint poisoning.
Right.
You know, so
Right.
anyway, y'all just enjoy whatever it is while it lasts or whatever.
Right.
Like my husband says.